Hello dear aspirants, welcome to Dr. Source's classes. Today I am solving PSAT NMSQT, that means preliminary SAT or National Merit Scholarship Qualifying Test recent past paper solution. If you want to take classes from our side or want to take doubt clearing session, previous year question solution, mock test, study material, any of them, please don't hesitate. Please call and WhatsApp on this number. So already all you know that Dr. Source's class is the best coaching institution for preparing PSAT or an MSQT examination. So don't waste time. This is the best time to take admission in Dr. Source's classes and boost up your preparation with Dr. Sourav sir. So let's start with question number 4. What will be the say question number 4? So this is question number 4. This is an inequality type question. There are which of the following system of inequalities has no solution? So here some of the options are. How to solve this question? You don't need to use algebra to answer this question, and also you don't need to graph each system. Instead, think about how the graph should look. The only time a system of linear equalities has no solution is when it consists two parallel lines shaded in opposite direction. Okay, two parallel line shaded in opposite direction. That means this is a one line and this is a another line shaded in opposite direction. Okay, this will be the shaded line. Okay, so all the inequalities are written in the slope intercept form. So look, the parallel lines, that means two lines have same slope but different y intercept. Parallel line means same slope but different y intercept. So the slopes in option A are different, m1 and m2. So eliminate this choice. Slopes m1 m2 are different, so eliminate this choice. m1 not equals to m2, and the same for true B. This also not equal. m1 is 1 and m2 is minus 1, and here m1 is 1 and m2 is 2, so here also not different. So here also the option will be cancelled out because of different slopes. Minus 1 x means 1 and minus x means minus 1. And in option C, in option D, the slopes here also difference, m equals to minus 1 and m equals to 1, so this will be not possible. And in option C, m equals to 1, m1 equals to 1, m2 equals to also 1, sorry, m1 equals to 1, m2 equals to also 1, and b equals to 1 and this b equals to minus 1. So that the graph of this system is drawn here. How to draw it? Sorry, shapes. This is a graph. Okay, and this is sorry, this is a y-intercept line, this line and these are two parallel line of y-intercept. So how can we solve it? This will be solved in this way. So select this and sorry, okay, so this will be perfect. Okay, so now perfect. So what is the solution here? This is the y-axis and this is the x-axis. For option C, the graph is in this way. Okay, so there are shaded region and there is also shaded region. This line has no solution. Okay, so what will be the correct option here? Option C will be the correct option. That's all for today. We'll meet you next session soon. Thank you.